जो अगला मैच है, मैच नंबर 3 है, वो
Prince Kumar Roy is making a big
मुझे भूख नहीं लगी
second half, so that's nice to see. Okay, we'll begin.
कि जब महेंद्र सिंह धोनी उतने फेमस नहीं हुआ करते थे, तो उनसे पूछा जाता था, तो उन्हें बताना पड़ता था कि रांची एक जगह है और थोड़े से ऊपर होने के कारण मौसम बहुत खुशनुमा रहता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे तडोबा टाइगर्स ने मौसम को खुशनुमा कर लिया है अपने पक्ष में। और देखिए क्या यहाँ 4 पॉइंट है।
3 you also.
Yeah, getting that big, massive lead ahead. Do or die raid now. Ananjay Singh, and he just attacks the corners. They are not allowing the bonus to be going in. That's nice from the defense.
जी हाँ, और बेसिक को अगर ठीक कर लिया जाए तो क्या होता है, जब आप परसेंटेज कबड्डी खेलेंगे आप वो एडवांस टैकल नहीं करेंगे। और यहाँ पर बात हो रही है 400
Probably shifted to be a raider, and then he's done well as raider, so he needs to stick there. 3 super 10s. That's really nice for Prince Kumar Roy. Yeah, look at this, 46 tackle points. That's a very good defensive save. The Ranchi Rangers from the first all out. The bonus will be allowed. That's not a problem. The left corner, Somesh Vijay Rao knows it. Yeah, there. He also controls Rishikesh Nagarao in a very nice way. There's the running hand touch attempted on the right corner this time. Sagar moves back. Defense really working well in tandem, and then
Bonus
the Tigers
point.
hunt in pair.
Ranchi Rangers rated out.
And,
1 plus 2 3 points.
yeah, that's it.
Tadova
First all out
Tigers,
inflicted.
All out. Ranchi Rangers.
For Ranchi Rangers again, struggling like what we saw in the Ladakh Wolves in the morning. Raiders.
बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है रोकना रेंज।
Correct. Oh my God!
का यहाँ
What was
पर
that one?
1 point. Tadova Tigers.
They'll have to travel. They'll have to go and fetch that pearl from the oyster, because this Tadaba Tigers is closing up the oyster's lip very nicely. Oh, that is a nice. Correct. बहुत जरूरत पड़ती है. There's no doubt about it. See now, Prince Kumar Roy. Why is he standing on the right corner? What is he doing in the right corner? Now that is a problem. Navneet, now Suraj Pawar. Perfect. Perfect. Do or die raid, and now the chain tackle
Rated
happens.
out. 1
Brilliant.
point. Ranchi Rangers.
This is what the defense needs to do. Could have been India won Kabaddi Kamal moment, just because for the brilliance that was being. Now will be for the Tadoba Tigers. If they let this raider go back, Suraj Pawar, that'll be nice. Oh, finally they nab him down.
1 point.
Not in the first
Ranchi
attempt.
Rangers.
पॉइंट और अमित ठाकुर है बेस्ट डिफेंडर। ये
Right, beginning the second half. Tadoba Tigers, I saw that they had won the toss and they had to raid first in the second half. But then it's Sumit Raj who's gone in and has been tackled down. Hasn't fired at all, not even a single point, whether in the raid or in the tackle. So nice to see Rahul Gope get it. And nice to see Abhishek Nimbalkar give him the bonus and send him off for another all out. That's it. They didn't send him off.
Ranchi Rangers.
He gave
Rated
himself a
out.
send off.
1 plus 2 3 points.
How is
Tadova
that?
Tigers. All out. Ranchi Rangers.
So familiar with Yuva Kabaddi series arena that so much is expected of them, and Suraj
Rated
Pawar
out.
tried to
1 point.
power his.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल राहुल गोखे को यहाँ मौका मिला है रांची रेंजर्स। और जी हाँ, 10 मिनट का खेल यानी कि 25% का खेल यहाँ पे बचा है। जूते को
From Ranchi, Navneet, scoring is a very, very important and probably a famous. Suraj, that why are you going chest on? Why are you going just facing the defenders with your chest open? Go sideways. That is always, it's so detrimental for the raider to come in. A brilliant point. The intonation, the energy transfer is so needed. Navneet, and here, Amit, I think is
2
gone
points.
out. Top 9 raid points here for Rishikesh Nagorao, and that's a super 10. That most of the girls who know me are listening to you, because they always complain that I don't have a good memory.
Tadova Tigers. Number 13 out.
शायद हमें
I
वो
say-
शायद हमें वो चीजें याद रहती है जो हमारे लिए मेमोरेबल रहे। अब शायद आप जिनके साथ वक्त गुजारते हैं
Mobile phones as well. Oh, turn of pages,
Yeah.
but then the second line of defense, fabulous.
जी हाँ,
It'll be interesting to see the number of attempts. Now, they